Exercise 4.1. Question number 1. Complete the last column of the table. Serial number, equation value. Say whether the equation is satisfied. Yes oblique no. It means here you have to check the value of x satisfy the LHS and RHS. See how we will find the answer. Look here, first one, see x plus 3 equal to 0 and the value of x equal to 3 equal to 0, but 3 plus 3 is 6, which is not equal to 0. It means here it is not satisfying LHS equal to RHS. So you will write here no. Now without solution you can solve. In second part, see x equal to 0. So 0 plus 3. For solution you can check here. See 0 plus 3, it is not equal to 0. So again, now in third part, x equal to minus 3. So when you will substitute minus 3 and plus 3, see the third part here, minus 3 plus 3, so it is equal to 0. Now here LHS equal to RHS because 0 equal to 0, so it is yes. Yes, now I am writing y. Similarly fourth part, x equal to 7. So 7 minus 7 is 0, but it is given 1. So here no. Now fifth part, x equal to 8. 8 minus 7 is 1. So LHS equal to RHS. So here you will write yes. Now sixth part, 5x equal to 25 and x equal to 0. So when you will substitute 5 into 0, it will become 0 and 0 is never equal to 25. So again no. Now in the part 7, 5x equal to 25 and we have given value of x equal to 5. So 5 into 5 equals to 25. So it will be yes. Now 8, 5x equal to 25 and x equal to minus. So you will get in LHS 5 into minus 5, it will become minus 25. So again no. See how can you solve this ninth part. M upon 3 equal to 2 and m equals to minus 6. Again it will come no because LHS becomes minus because minus 6 and RHS is positive. So never equals. 10th part, m equal to 0. So 0 equal to 2, again no. Now 11th part, m upon 3 equal to 2. See here I am doing this one. So m equal to 6. 6 upon 3 equal to 2 because 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. So here LHS equal to RHS. Okay, here we completed. It will be S. Question number 2. Check whether the value given in the brackets is a solution to the given equation or not. In this question we will substitute the value of variable given in the bracket. If LHS equal to RHS, then it is a solution, otherwise no. See solution, n plus 5 equal to 19. So LHS equal to n plus 5 and we have given n equal to 1. So LHS equal to, but RHS equal to 19. So this implies that LHS is not equal to RHS. So here you will write n equal to 1 is not a solution of n plus 5 equal to 19. So 7n plus 5 equal to 19. Substitute n equals to minus 2 equals to 19. So 7 2s are minus 14 plus 5 equal to 19. It means LHS is again not equal to RHS. So answer is no. This time n equals to 2. So 7 2s are 7 into 2 plus 5 equals to 19. So for this, yes, LHS equal to 4p minus 3 and p equals to 1. So 4 into 1 minus 3 equal to 1. Now again LHS is not equal to RHS, so answer is again no. So 4 into minus 4 minus 3 equals to 13, so minus 19. Okay, it is not equal to 13, so again the answer is no. So what is LHS? LHS equals to 4p minus 3. Substitute p equals to 0. So 0 minus 3 equal to minus 3 and RHS is 13. So here again answer is question number 3. Solve the following equations by trial and error method. First part, 5p plus 2 equals to 17. Trial and error method means we don't know the value of p, so we will check one by one. At that value LHS equal to RHS, that will be the answer for first. Similarly we will do second. So see, let first p equals to, we will take 0. Okay, p equals to 0, then LHS equal to 2. Okay, and RHS is, we have given 17. So p equals to 0, so it is not a solution. Now second, p equals to 1. Substitute p equals to 1 directly, so it is 7. Now third, p equals to 2. Then what is LHS? LHS equal to 2 5s are 10 plus 2, 12. Let p equals to 3. So what is LHS? Substitute p equals to 3 in the given. So 5 3s are 15 plus 2, 17. See, LHS is 17 and RHS also 17. So answer is p equal to 3. This is our answer. Now for the second, similarly we will solve second also. So m equals to 0, RHS is 4. We want LHS equal to 4. When both will equal, that will be the answer for m. Take m equals to 1, then LHS equal to 3 minus 14. So it will come minus 11. LHS equal to 2 3s are 6, so minus 8. So 3 3s are 9, 9 minus 14, so it will come LHS equal to minus 5. Now so LHS equal to m equals to 6. So 6 3s are 18 minus 14. So 18 minus 14 equals to 4. At m equals to 6. So this is our answer. Question number 4. Write equations for the following statements. Here we have given the statements. We have to change it in the form of equations. So first, the sum of numbers x and 4 is 9. So answer is sum. Sum means plus. Sum of numbers x plus 4 is 9 means equal to 9. It is answer. 2 subtracted from y. So it is very important to understand from y means first you will write here y, then subtract 2 is 8. 10 times a. Times means 10 multiplied by 8, 70. The number b divided by 5. See, b divided by 5 gives 6 means equal to 6. 3/4 of t. Of means multiply. So t equal to 15. 7 times m. So times means again multiply. So 7m, 7 times m plus sign of addition 7 gets you 77. So equal to 77. 1/4 of a number x, it means 1 by 4 x, 1/4 of a number x minus 4. So minus means subtract 4 gives 4 equal to 4. If you take away 6, if you take away means subtract 6 from 6 times y, take away 6, so minus 6 equal to 60. If you add 3 to 1/3 of z, so 1/3 of z means 1 by 3 z. If you add 3, so plus 3 equal to 30. Question number 5. Write the following equations in statement forms. First, p plus 4 equals to 15. We can write the sum of p and 4 is 15. m minus 7 equals to 3. So how can write? 7 subtracted from m is 3. Once again, 7 subtracted from m equal to 3. Now third, 2m equals to 7. So it means 2 times of m is 7. Otherwise we can say twice a number m is 7. m upon 5 equals to 3. So change in words, 1/5 of m is 3. Similarly, 3/5 of a number m is 6. 3p plus 4 equals to 25. So 3 times of p plus 4 is 25. Gives, you can write gives 25. 4p minus 2 equals to 18. 2 subtracted from 4 times of p, 18. Now part 8, p by 2 plus 2 equals to 8. Half of a number p plus 2 gives 8. Question number 6. Set up an equations in the following cases. Number 1. Irfan says that he has 7 marbles more than 5 times the marbles Parmit has. Irfan has 37 marbles. Take m to be the number of Parmit's marble. It means Parmit has m marble. 5m, because it is given Parmit has m marble and 5 times. So 5m plus 7 equal to 37. Now come on for second. Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than thrice Lakshmi's age. Take Lakshmi's age to be y years. It means Lakshmi is y years old and Lakshmi's father is 49 years old. He is 4 years older than thrice, means 3 times. So 3y, because 3 times of Lakshmi's age, plus 4 equals to 49. It is answer for second. The teacher tells the class that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class is twice the lowest marks plus 7. The highest score is 87. Take the lowest score to be 7. Take the lowest score to be L. Okay, no problem. Teacher is telling that the highest marks obtained by a student in her class, twice the lowest marks plus 7. So 2L, twice the lowest marks, 2L plus 7 equal to 87. It is answer for third. In an isosceles triangle, the vertex angle is twice either base angle. Okay, in an isosceles triangle means two sides are equal. So if two sides are equal, two angles will also equal as per the property of triangle. The vertex angle is twice either base angle. So here you will get 2b plus b plus b equal to 180. Solve it. This implies that 4b equal to 180 degree. It is answer. Now here we completed question number 6.